Chitra. Chitra has severe pain in her right heel and she's ranked at 10. Chitra, do you feel like kicking your heel? All right, let's have Chitra.
Hi, yes,
Hi,
I
Chitra.
have a very bad heel pain. Actually, it got triggered because of a recent knee injury that I had in my right knee almost 3 months back, which actually I have a meniscus tear, and a very bad meniscus tear, which and with a lot of physio and rehab, now I am at like 50%, 60% better than what I was 3 months back. And now what has happened is because the muscle has become weak, and obviously the movements were so restricted and all that. So now it has started, the load is coming on the heel, and it is affecting my heel very badly. I'm having last 2 3 days I've had very severe pain in my
At the moment, it
in
is
right
hurting.
heel.
At the moment, you said
Sorry.
it's hurting.
At the moment, it is not really hurting, but it has been there continuously for 3 days now. In fact, even in the afternoon, it was hurting very badly. At this particular moment, it is minimal, unfortunately. So I can't.
Unfortunately. So, how much is the pain right now?
Um, right now, I can say it is about 20%.
So, on a scale of 10, it is 2.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's 20% only
The
right
right
now.
heel pain or the knee you're talking about?
ankle heel pain.
Yeah, we're talking only about the heel pain. चलो, तो मम्मा बना देते हैं.
But I had listed some other issues also in the Telegram chat, which is I have been suffering from chronic IBS for I've been suffering from IBS for about 8 years now, and bloating and lot of digestive issues, hyperacidity. So I'm like the IBS has gotten to it's gotten really bad in the last 1.5 2 years.
So,
um,
Chitra, we'll
it,
let Brenda and Charu work on your pain right now, and
Mhm.
they'll respond to you on your other health concerns on the group itself. Yeah?
Sorry, it has been informed in the group.
I said that we'll let Brenda and Charu work on your pain right now,
Okay.
and they'll respond to your other issues on the Telegram.
Okay, sure, sure, sure.
So we can have her back.
Okay. Chitra?
Yeah,
Chitra,
hi.
can you hear us? Hi.
It's showing 3 minutes for energy to integrate, but still we can ask her to check.
Okay. Chitra, do you feel something already?
So as I said, the pain was very minimal at this point in time. I am not able to assess it, but I can tell you. I mean, I really hope I feel that whatever you have done works on me, because the kind of pain that I have been having for the last 2 3 days is I wasn't able to plant my heel down. At the minute I tried to stand up on my feet, it hurt so badly that I would like I would wince in pain, and it's kind of, I initially for at least few minutes I would be kind of limping. So let's see. I mean, I have to only wait and see how it whether the whatever healing you have done, it I over by tomorrow morning or something, when I wake up, whether I feel that intensity of pain. Unfortunately, as I said, I'm not able to tell you at this minute whether
Yeah,
it has worked
best at
on
the
me or not.
moment.
Yeah, at the moment.
So anyway, basically, I actually, what you were talking about, you have IBS and digestive issues. So I just
Yes.
checked the emotion behind that IBS and digestive, and it's actually something to do with forgiveness. So there's something in your life that you haven't forgiven someone or forgiven yourself. So maybe you can look at that, and that can shift as well.
Yeah, I know. I can. You're bang on. Actually,
And
been through
actually,
a
the
very.
heel pain is actually not linked to the knee. It's actually linked to the forgiveness. So now that forgiveness really needs to be done. You can't keep it anymore.
I have been trying to do that. But it is not easy because I
There's no
have
such
faced
thing
a.
as trying. I always tell people, no such thing as trying. Try to pick up the pencil. You can or you cannot. So you cannot. So you can decide now. So actually, forgiveness is very hard. I agree with you. And maybe you can look at taking sessions, because when we do energetic work, that actually the imbalance and the charge and whatever actually you're stuck with can be actually released very beautifully, and you don't even have to go through the trauma and the ifs and the buts and everything. So maybe think
Mm-hmm,
about it, since you said you were doing so long with your digestive.
mm-hmm.
So see how it works for you and can contribute to your life.
Yeah, yeah, right. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Thanks, Chitra. Thanks, Brenda. Thanks, Charu.